Hey guys, this is Jaden Bales, and welcome to the Maven RS.2 Riflescope unboxing. As I go to rip the plastic off here, you'll notice that the guys over at Maven tossed in a couple extra goodies for us. There is a Maven decal, which is definitely going on my Nalgene bottle, and a microfiber cleaning cloth to help remove dust when it gets on your scope. You'll notice the box is really nice looking, and they definitely put some thought into it. It sets expectations high for the rifle scope inside. There she is. So the Maven RS.2 Riflescope, MSRP is for $550. It's got great, bright, clear glass in it, but it's also not your long range or ultra long range rifle scope. It's kind of for that do-it-all hunter out west or in the mountains with a 2 to 10 power magnification. So if you're beating brush, you can keep that on 2 power and do just fine in the dark timber. Or you can set it on your 10 power and shoot antelope or mule deer out a little further. It also has some great eye relief adjustment here, which I thought is going to come in handy once it's mounted on the rifle. I ended up spending quite a bit of time on screwing with these dials here. Like most rifle scopes, it's one click for 1/4 MOA. But the thing I thought was really nice about what they've done with the dials on this scope is that it's a super positive click. So that way when you're at the range or in the field and you have to make an adjustment real quick, you can really tell that you're making a one-click adjustment. This is actually an issue on my current old scope, so I was excited to see that. So this scope is going to be mounted on a Tikka T3x Lite rifle, and because this thing only weighs 12.4 ounces, it's going to go on top of that rifle, and the overall package is going to end up being under 7.5 pounds, which is going to be awesome for the mountain hunting that I do. I also got the scope with the SHR reticle inside, so you get your subtensions here in this little pamphlet. And then they also threw in this sweet neoprene cover. So whenever I'm not going to be actively hunting, I'm going to run this cover over the scope to try to give it a little bit more life and to keep dust and debris from getting on the lenses. Pretty much whenever I'm backpacking, this is going to go on the scope, or even if it's just hanging out in my truck. I know that these are really durable scopes, though. I just want to give it a fighting chance if for some reason I was to drop it or do something really terrible. So there you have it, folks. Stay tuned for my Tikka build where I put this Maven scope atop a Tikka T3x as an all-around mountain rifle.